What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily renew your driving license on Florida online. So all you have to do is head over to flhsmv.gov and in the search bar, just start typing for renew license, then press enter. So from the search results, just click on renew or replace your Florida driver license. So before you proceed, you can also check the fees page on how much renewal or purchase of driver's license would cost. So from here, you can see driver license fees starting from $48, but we also have here $25, $15, $75, depending on the type of driver license. And the note here says an additional $6.25 service fee may apply to any credential issued in a tax collector office. And from here, you can renew your driver's license online just by clicking on this link, My DMV Portal. You can also see here that there's a note that says, be advised most My DMV Portal transactions will include a non-refundable $2 convenience fee. So from here, all you have to do is log in to My DMV Portal by clicking on this link. So from here, of course, make sure that you agree to the terms by checking on this box. And all you have to do is just log into your account. And once you're logged in, you should be able to access renewal for your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!